If you want extra safety while driving and a reliable way to record everything on the road, a dashcam is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Today, we are reviewing the ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam, which records both front and rear footage in high resolution and comes with advanced features like fast Wi-Fi, GPS, and parking mode. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. The ROVE R2-4K Dual is a 2-channel dashcam system, front camera in 4K resolution, rear camera in Full HD 1080p. It includes a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor for better clarity, especially in low light conditions. It also comes with a 128GB memory card, built-in GPS, a 3-inch display, and supports a mobile app for viewing and downloading videos. The system is designed for everyday drivers who want full road coverage and extra security. One of the strongest points of this dashcam is its video quality during daytime driving. The 4K front camera captures clear details like road signs and license plates at close and medium distances. The rear camera provides decent coverage for vehicles behind you. The STARVIS 2 sensor improves low-light performance compared to basic dashcams, although night recording can still lose some detail depending on street lighting. Another major feature is the dual-band Wi-Fi, which allows fast video transfer to your phone through the app. It makes it easier to review or save footage without removing the memory card. Built-in GPS is also useful because it records speed and location data directly on your videos. Overall, performance is solid for daily driving, commuting, and travel use. Installation is fairly straightforward. The front camera mounts on the windshield, and the rear camera connects through a cable that runs inside the car. The included suction or adhesive mount keeps it stable once installed. In terms of usability, the menu is simple and the app makes file access easy. Pros: strong 4K front video quality, dual camera coverage front and rear, includes 128GB memory card, fast Wi-Fi for file transfer, built-in GPS and parking features, easy-to-use mobile app. The ROVE R2-4K Dual is a strong all-around dashcam for drivers who want reliable front and rear recording with modern features. It is especially good for daily driving, ride-sharing, or anyone who wants extra security on the road. If you want a simple, feature-rich dashcam with good value, this is a solid option.